Hello, this is team 8086Y. Our code is 1C31NV. You can see that on the right hand side next to our 1 minute timer. This is for the programming autonomous skills run.
Begin. 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh my god. Oh my god! This is incredible! Alright.
No one stop that video, please.
Time was stopped with 25 seconds left on the clock. Again, our team number is 8086Y. Our code is 1C31NV. Oh my god! Please subscribe!